Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all today? Hope you are all fine and very lovely sunny day today. And then we thought let's do barbecue. So we went to buy chicken and I'm doing whole chicken barbecue. So I'm going to teach you from scratch. First I'm going to show all ingredients and the chicken I'll serve with coconut rice. So I'm going to show how to make coconut rice as well. So first I'm going to show ingredients in chicken and everything, and then I'm going to show ingredients of rice. And then I'm going to marinate chicken, start to put on barbecue, and then I'll make rice at the same time. So yeah, so this is my ingredients. This is very small ingredients. Only garlic, olive oil, chili powder. You can take fresh chili, red, and lemon juice and salt. That's it. And this is whole chicken. So I'm going to show you how to cut and wash and marinate them. This is for coconut rice to go to with chicken. So this is rice I have already soaked 1 hour before. I have grated around 2 big carrot, 2 small onion chop, salt, oil, and then when we start to cook rice, I'll put boil water after I braise everything, and then when this rice is nearly there, I'll add coconut powder. The coconut powder is little bit salted, so when you cook rice, don't put so much salt, or you add salt in the end because otherwise your rice will be very salted. So let's start. I'll start to cook rice, then I'm going to cut my chicken and marinate. So first I'm going to put oil. So if I have got 3 cups of rice, I'll put around 4.5 cup of water. So I'm going to do I'm going to braise carrot and onion at the same time. It's braising, let it be little bit. Yeah, so between this is getting braised, it's not much. I'm going to make marination ready. So when I cut and wash my chicken, marination will be ready. So as according to how many chickens, I took 4 chickens, so the salt is according to 4 chicken, olive oil is according to 4 chicken, and lemon juice. So I'm going to mix them all. It's simple, easy, yummy. It's just five ingredients. So look, my marination is ready. So let me look, it's braising. So we don't need that much because the carrot and onion will cook with the rice. I'm gonna drop all rice. I took water out. And I'm gonna put salt. Stir it. Don't stir a lot because you can break the rice. I'll just add around this 3 cups, so 4.5 cup of water. And let it cook. So meanwhile, now I'm going to start to show you how to cut the chicken. I'm going to cut the chicken, wash and marinate, start my barbecue. So this is the steps, yeah. I'm gonna open all chicken like this. Yeah. Be careful when you cut your chicken, your hand. This, I have to take this side out. This in here as well because it's inches. Yeah, and same time here, and here. So all dirts come out. Yeah. Now this is how I want to grill my chicken. Just clean little inside. these are baby chickens, so they are not very like with fat. I personally like to cook the chicken with skin, because when you're cooking without skin, there's no same flavor. So, and then now I'm doing little cuts here, here, especially on here on the bonelesses, and here. Yeah. Already my charcoal is smelling so nice. So I'm coming back to you after I do all 4 ready. Guys, look, it's cooking, not done yet, so I'm not gonna add now for coconut powder. So I have finished washing all 4 chicken. Now, so they are draining there. Yeah. I washed with cold water, never washed with hot water. This is my last chicken. I'm giving cuts here, look, to flame charcoal and cook proper from inside. See, look. Yeah, it's done. Oh, here, little bit, cleaning here. Yeah, that's it. Easy. We in Africa, we used to eat loads barbecue chicken. It's like mostly every day. Sometimes we buy from big restaurants, and sometimes we do because we have a big massive back gardens and everything. So but we don't need to wait lots of for our weather as well. So yeah. So now I'm showing you how to wash it properly. Obviously everybody knows how to, but just for people who never done, so it's from scratch, you know. So yeah, it's baby chicken, so it won't take so long to cook as well. And then I'm going to put on the drain. So I'll back to you when I'm done with all 4 chicken. Now I'm going to start to check again my rice. Look, it's just there. Look. So I'm going to add my coconut powder. You can use coconut milk as well, but personally I love coconut powder. This is a recipe from my friend Yasmin. She shared me once ago, like about 14 years ago, I can tell. Yeah, so she shared me. So since she shared me this recipe with me, I make with grilled barbecue chicken. It's very yummy. Thank you, Yasmin. Getting dry. I'm gonna do in low flame, very low flame. So the rest of rice will cook in low flame. Now I'm going to do marination my chicken. Yeah. So there you are. Chicken here. 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken. Because we are 6 people, but like it's better you do a little bit more. Yeah, so now I'm going to do my marination. My husband is waiting there. My charcoal is getting cold. I said let me marinate first, then start to do barbecue. And I will fry some chips as well to go together, because my son doesn't like coconut rice, so I have to do chips as well for him. So you know, everybody likes different things here. So there you are. My chicken is getting marinated. If you want, you can marinate chicken and put in the freezer 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 1 month ago. You can marinate 1 day ago and put in the fridge. It's better. But I decided suddenly to do barbecue. So yeah. So look, chicken is marinated proper from inside, outside. I'm going to put in my barbecue. And this is olive oil. So when I turn the chicken, I can grease it again, so not get very dry. Yeah. So yeah, chicken is here. I'll put it over here. You can barbecue only leg pieces as well, however is your wish. Only drumsticks as well. But I like sometimes to do like this. More original, authentic Mozambican. Yes, some living because it's in very low. I'm turning just no, yeah. This is kind of ready. Yeah, I put cones as well. There's a lot of big cone. Nah. Come here.
Mommy, daddy.
Fry करूँ पटाटा तिकले ने सलाद भी बनाना कुछ चावल दे क्या yeah that don't I don't know taste wise but like it's beautiful. Hi, my partner. I'll put little bit oil, olive oil, just for making little bit brilliant and glazed. Not to get dry. Oh look, high flame coming. It's very nice, lovely Portuguese style. I think the chicken is ready, so I'm gonna do plating. And the rest I'll do after. I'll do for one plate for now. So I'm starting to do plating. I'll take my chips out. Rice ready, chicken ready, corn ready, salad ready. Just need to do plating. I'm gonna divide the chicken in half. Here, put chicken in here. Rice. Some chips here. For a just one portion. And salad in here. Some salad in here. And corn on a cob. My food is ready, barbecue, complete menu is ready. I'm going to get enjoying, and then you have new recipe for you to make in few days after, weekends and every day. Whenever you wish to do it, just marinate the chicken and just barbecue. You can enjoy, and thank you very much for watching my video. And subscribe, please like it, and please press the bell icon. Keep watching. Thank you very much.